DALI cares about our customers more than short-term profit, offers the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. DALI has high-quality products tailored specially for our customers' needs. Display products in boxes and pallets to avoid any additional costs, passing on savings to our customers. DALI stores are located in high-density residential areas. To be closer to our customers, buys in large volumes, spend very little on advertising, and choose economical locations for our small, simple stores. Why choose us? Product warranty. Each of our products undergoes careful selection with continuous quality testing. Despite their basic appearance, our stores are always clean and well organized. High standards for both quality and food safety are maintained through regular checks conducted by independent laboratories. DALI customers can benefit from our unconditional return policy for products that do not meet their expectations. If you are not entirely satisfied with their products, you can return the item, no explanation needed. We'll refund the full sales price. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.